Today is December 26th, the day after Christmas. I'm raking hay. We had 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. We did not freeze, guys, at least not in my area. As you can see, everything's still green, didn't dry out. So let's get this done, guys. I hate raking, but like I said, my grass is all over the place. I'll show you some front views in a while and the drone. And all right, guys, enjoy.
Hey guys, here's the aerial view. Little aerial view of the raking the hay. We got some pretty real strong winds. Spread it out pretty thin on some areas, so I had to rake it. I'm gonna re-rake after I bale because I am leaving a little bit of grass, but it's not much. But you know, the way it is now with the drought and the freezing temperatures here in South Texas, every bale is money in your pocket that you can use to fix or buy equipment in the future. So guys, hope you enjoy. We have more drone. We're going to be baling squares. We're going to be baling some rounds. We're using the hay grappler. We got some close-ups, action-packed video. So hope you stick along and watch the whole video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share. Hope you guys enjoy and have a prosperous new year.
Gonna make some square bales. After this freeze in many parts of Texas, this is green gold again. Guys, on behalf of us to you all, hope you all had a nice Christmas. Taking them in. These bales are coming out real green, beautiful looking bales. It's happening. We're making hay. Some good quality square bales. This is Tifton and Postal mix. Beautiful color squares, guys. I can't complain with this color of this grass. Beautiful.
Picking up the hay. There's 10 bales on this grappler. I'm gonna lift it up, put it on top of the trailer. These bales are about 3 feet 4 inches, 3.5 feet. They're about 65-70 pounds. There are some heavy bales here, guys. This grass turned out to be really fine quality grass. Gonna make somebody very happy to have this hay. I'm solo out there. I pretty much do everything myself out there. The wife is taking care of the kids, or they're out doing something that needs to get done. But if not, they'd be out here helping me, either moving the trailer around or cleaning up the barn or doing something. But hope you guys enjoy this. We got some round bales coming up. We got some good drone footage making rounds, raking, and like I said, action-packed. Follow along, guys. Thank you. Let's get it done more.
Well, guys, beautiful day, December 27th. I'll add another spool of twine. We're gonna make some round hay bales today. Beautiful day, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed your Christmas. Happy New Year. I can't say that this is going to be my last haying video, because I think I'll have one for January sometime. My first haying video for 2023. All right, so these have markers. They have start and end. This is my end piece, and this is my start piece right here. Real simple on these. You can give a double or a triple twist. Same here. Pull pull kind of evenly and just pull the heck out of them. And it's that simple, guys. Great day for watching this video, guys. I feel for all y'all. Prayers to all you guys that are inundated, covered with snow. Hope y'all get better weather conditions. I want to say hi to Gary from Tractor Talk with Gary. Spoke to him yesterday. Nice guy. Very knowledgeable in what he's talking about, his equipment. Super nice guy. Gary, hope you had a beautiful Christmas and a Happy New Year, my friend. Hope y'all get better weather. Pushing snow looks like fun, but honestly, I think I'd rather be baling hay. Well, guys, well, some beautiful looking hay. Production's down about half. Well, not that much, but it's down. It's a much finer cut this year, or this time of the season, and so it does affect you. Again, like I said, due to irrigation, due to fertilizer, I was a little late baling, irrigating and fertilizing this stuff, and it was getting late in the season to get the best out of it. And so I took a hit on it, but I'm still making hay. Today's December 27th, and we're doing good though. I'll bring you back. Well, guys, finished up earlier, and now it's time to pick up all the hay and put it away. You know, this came out really beautiful hay, and gonna get it out of the elements. Like I said, Texas was dry this drought, and for those that have hay, man, I mean, this is like green gold.